So now we have got the hosting, we have got the domain name, and now we will be setting up our WordPress theme, installing that WordPress theme, required plugins, and then we'll be importing demo, and then after that we'll be just customizing the website. So first of all, we'll have to install the theme, WordPress theme, and we are using a free WordPress theme in this lecture, and the theme is Rishi theme. You can go to Google and search for Rishi theme, or just type in rishitheme.com and go to their home page, click on download Rishi for free, and enter your email address and your first name's last name, and click on download now. And now you have successfully got the theme, and you just have to click on this one and download the theme. The download link will also be emailed to you in your email, and now you just have to open this in folders. And now we'll just go back in there, and we'll just go to appearance, we'll go to themes and click on upload, click upload theme, click choose files, go to downloads where you downloaded the theme, and just extract this WordPress theme. Okay, so here we have this complete WordPress theme. So what we'll do is basically we'll upload this zip file, click on install now, and this theme would be installed within matter of few seconds. And here you go, the theme has been downloaded and installed. Now we just have to activate it. So I'll just click on activate, and the theme has been activated now. And I'll just delete this one, and now we'll check how our website is looking right now. So now right now our website is looking that way, but we have to convert this website into this website. So you just click on install Rishi companion here, click install, and Rishi companion has been installed now. Now activate this Rishi companion. Rishi companion has been activated as well. So we'll just go back, just reload it, just go to dashboard, and I'll just go to plugins. So Rishi companion has been activated successfully. So we'll just reload the website. And after reloading website, I just go to appearance, go to Rishi theme, and in Rishi theme just go to starter sites and click on install starter templates. Now here you have all the starter templates. You can not only just create a portfolio website, but you can create different types of websites, and all the websites demos are mentioned there. But we want to create a portfolio website, so I'll just search for portfolio, and here you go, we have the portfolio dark and portfolio light. You can select any one of them, but I just showed you this one, so I'll just select this one, click import, click on import complete site, delete previously imported site, and just click import. It would take some time to be imported, and after it is imported I'll just get back to you. And after pausing, I am back, and here you can see the website has been imported successfully. So I'll just click on view site to watch how our website is looking. So here you go, we have imported our website successfully, and I don't think there's a difference between this website and this website. Now here you can see we have this complete website designed with all the required pages. Now let me just show you or tell you about the next steps first. So first of all, we'll be just changing the names and taglines and logos of the website. Then we'll change the header of the website. Then we'll play with the footer of the website, and then we'll be changing and editing the pages, all the pages one by one.